Grab me one.
Oh, same, me one.
AJ.
Alright, got it.
Thank you.
Should be plenty of calculators over there. Go grab one. You need paper, pencil, date, name on it. We are going to turn this in. We are going to turn this in.
Weird.
It's a Halloween special, it's not mine. Discussed by resolution.
All right. Anyone else need a calculator? There should be pencils up there. Should be handfuls. Yeah, there you go. Okay.
There's a spider, there's something.
All right. Is everyone good to go? All right. If you guys can figure out a way to look at the front board. Okay. So I know some of your backs are turned to it. So expressions of order of operations. This is the stuff we've been doing since what, last Thursday. We're going to continue on with that today. But here's the idea. You're probably wondering why we're sitting in the pods. We're doing that around the world game. So here's the idea. We have different sections in this room. I'll go back to the first slide here in a minute. So if you're at the written expression pod, that's that pod over here, okay? Your goal is to choose 6 problems from that pod, okay? Choose 6 out of, what is there, 10 in front of you? Your goal is to choose 6, any 6 you like. Now, what your goal is to do is to write down those problems on your piece of paper, write down the answer. Now, if you look at the corner of those pieces of paper in front of you, they are individually numbered, correct? 1, 2, 3, so on and so forth. Okay. Your goal is to write down what problem you're doing, problem number 1, problem 2, it's in the corner of it, and then write down your answer, and then what I'd like you to do is come up and check with me when you're all finished with it. So I can tell you if you're right or wrong. If you have questions, you can come over here and ask. If you're at the exponent station, I believe that's at the station over there, your goal is to choose 4 of those problems, only 4, and to write down those answers. Now here's the thing, on those problems, I do want to see the alternate way you could do that problem. Because I know you guys can just type it in a calculator. So if we had, 4 to the 4th power, you could just type that in a calculator using 4 with a little caret. But I want to know what that actually means. So if you're at that station today, I want you to tell me that it's 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. So you have to write down that step. Then you can go ahead and figure out what the answer is. Okay. Now the last pod here is that order of operations where you have to do like multiple steps, parentheses, exponents, multiply, divide, add, subtract. Your goal is to choose 5, any 5 of them. You can kind of flip, I think, what is there, 7 or 8 of those problems sitting in front of you? Like that, you have to choose 5. Okay? All right, check in with me when you're done with that station. If you get lost or stuck, you can come over here and ask for help. We'll go through the problem that you're doing. But you have to get it written down on paper before you move on. Now, when you're checking in with me, when you're done with that station, I'm going to tell you what station you go to next. You don't go in order. So you're going to go to a certain station. When you're all finished today, your goal is to be at this station where you have none of those stations left, and I have an assignment for you. Okay? I have an assignment for you when you're back to the station. Got it? Okay, go ahead, start working. You can discuss with your neighbors, you can have lively conversations, but make sure that if you need help, you're coming up here. I want this paper turned in. Your goal is to get through all of these problems today as you sit in class. Questions?
You guys are funny.
I already did that one.
Yeah. Sorry. Yeah, just write number 6. Yeah, so you're going. So on some of these, you're going into like the actual algebra. So it's on tuition season, the work one. It should look like this, something like this when you're done. Yeah, you have to choose, I think 5 or 6, something like that. So you guys have 6. 8 of it, you guys have to choose 6 out of those. 6.
6?
6.
How many do we have? 6. Yeah, write down the problem number, because the problem number's in the corner, so I know what problem you're doing, so I can double check. I was usually doing problem 1 or 2 or 3. It's in that little tiny corner of it.
What? Oh.
Yeah, so like, that's problem what, 9?
Yeah.
9 out of 10, 7, 8, wherever the numbers are. Yeah.
See if you guys remember right out what that actually means. Then write these stuff. You can use it. Just make sure you're writing out. And notice the problem numbers in the corners. Make sure you're writing that problem number down so when I check. So like that's problem 7 Alexis is looking at.
Hey, oh my God.
That's problem 6, that's problem 2, problem 3. So that way I know which problem you're doing.
So I'm just gonna, okay, so.
Because I have the answer key, I want to see what the
14
answer
two,
is.
where's the 14 two?
Which one's that?
This one?
Oh.
I need the 55 3.
Rachel, why do you have all of them? I'm just gonna use
Okay, he's going to.
You tell me, check.
Yeah, I see that. Yeah, well, I'm about to do this.
Okay, so here's the answer key.
Six.
We have to do
Good.
Product of three
So-
times.
Alexis, I'm gonna have you go to that station.
I'm done.
Yep. Done.
Already got them all pretty much. Almost.
Perfect. So I'm gonna have you go to same, that station there. So here, I'll bring another desk up. Now remember, at this station, you're choosing 6.
You this one?
Hey, you gotta correct him, AJ.
How many do you have?
Sit down, boy.
Perfect. All right, so go to that station. Got a little cheer for us.
Dude, I'm so
Yeah.
confused.
I'm done with these.
Why are you such a big espresso? Sure.
Yeah, I'll do that in a second. Sure. There you go. Name on it. For that, leave that up. Just all stay with it. Okay.
AJ, can I see one?
All right, we're good.
That goes back.
Perfect. Problem number 1. Then I'm gonna say, go try it again.
I can barely move my neck. Oh, I put tree instead of 3.
Check that again. Problem number 6, if you can find it. Check your problem number, is that problem number 1?
It's problem number 1.
Is it problem number 1? Check one of those.
Okay.
Check problem number 1.
Okay, hold on. I don't understand.
Problem number 1. Check 1, yeah.
Okay, so doesn't difference mean divide?
No, it's just subtraction.
Oh.
Perfect. Okay, good. All right, so Angel, you're gonna go to, you're going to exponents, that one. So you're picking 4, okay? Let's see. Patricia, you're working the same thing. Go ahead. You guys are picking 4 then.
Look at that. So,
Oh, you're good. Alright, so, okay. So Ben, you are going to, same one over there. Take one of these desks. So, actually Mason, I'll have you move to one of these side desks and he'll take that desk. Hold on. Okay, remember on those, you're writing down what that actually means, like what that's actually telling you, and then figure out the final number for it.
So it's just one.
There you go. Write that down and then tell me the correct.
Basically, me and my calculator.
You guys doing over here? Any questions?
For this one, just do 5.
1/2 of a number, why would that be?
Yep, so yeah, just do 5. Yep, so, okay, let me double check here. Okay, what do we got? Number 6, good. Numbers at 5, and I'll just double check that one again.
I already got that one.
2,
You have to write which one it is, with that number on the side.
check that one again.
Shit, there's no
I think you went out of order.
Yeah. So I can check
That's
that.
one.
And we won't see, yeah, so check 5 and 2, check those two. Numbers just.
5 and 2.
2.
Yep. And then all of these.
Oh, okay, I'm on, check that one. That's good, that's good. 5 and 2.
Yeah, I got
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Just says show the
Okay, good. All right, so let's see.
You don't have to
Go.
show the
There.
alternative.
6.
Okay, this work.
Yeah.
This be 4 minus 3.
When you do that, I would say form is to go over that 3 times x to the second.
Oh, and we know it's
8 questions.
How many of these do you have to do, Mr. Ward? 4.
On that station, you have to pick 4. Yeah, I'll check with you in a second. Perfect. See it all together. This is some of what's going on. So, you don't have to let's see. Oh, yeah, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, good question. Is 7 or 7 6 is right? Answer positive or negative?
negative.
Okay,
So
all
we
right.
have to solve them too.
Yeah, you have to actually have them. Okay, let's see. Angel, you're gonna go to order of operations at station. Sorry.
Told you.
You also have to put down the
Positive or negative? There's 7 for this. 7 negative signs. So is it positive or negative?
I'm still down one.
Negative, because it's back. Yeah. Good,
There
good,
you
good.
have 6 power minus 1.
Perfect. Okay, so here we go. Let's see. Great.
6 decrease. Hey, that's my calculator. What are you doing, girl?
I'll take that with that when you're done.
We're playing scout team full back.
You can if you want. Go ahead.
Bruce has to order.
You don't have anything else working?
There's no one there.
Got a helmet for that, yeah, right.
So we, for these, we just want to.
Yeah, right, and so show some work. Oh, yeah. What do we got? 2, 1, you're good. 3. Double check that. Double check 3.
Wait, is
6
it
is
for,
good.
Just, hey, what would 1/2 of a number y be?
This work.
That one, there's what, 5 15s?
Yeah.
How's it really good?
Done.
you sure?
Wood.
Yeah, give me a second. How's everything? Good, alright. Let's see, Tusha, you are going. You did exponents, you did verbal, you're doing this.
You wouldn't say that.
I'll take that piece of paper with it.
You sent your DP.
I have a question.
Yeah, well, I'll be
You
the
sent
second.
Sarah.
Okay.
I have it on my phone.
I got 100.
It's kind of weird.
Quotient,
Hey, did you do this one, man?
nice, okay. Alexis, you are going, let's see, you are over here. I'll take that piece of paper and this when you're finished.
Sure.
All right, hold on, I'll do that in a second. All right, let me go check. You're good. Okay, Reese, you are moving. Yeah, all right. Did you start over there, yeah?
Oh, for this one? For this one?
I don't think anybody's moved from that.
You three.
Chris, is that hard over there?
One.
No one's moved from there.
Three, yes, good pass. Okay. So Abraham, you are going
Isaiah and I are.
there.
They know.
I like to
They know.
These are right, I don't care. Or
Back
done.
together.
Say they're right, because I don't want to redo them.
I don't think it was.
Only on, I just wrote some nonsense.
Correct nonsense.
Can I go to the bathroom and tell me that?
Evan, let me see.
Okay, good. And Mason, when you are back from your restroom, you're at the back table back there. So you're good. I'll take that when you're done with this. So I'll give you a pass. In a second. Darker than this.
This thing on the plan is divided, it doesn't matter what.
Nope, doesn't matter. Left or right.
Reduced by the product of three.
Mason, here's your
and then
pass.
That'd be 6.
6 minus.
Minus 3.
So that'd be right here. 6 minus. 6 minus 3. What was it?
2.
Yeah, we're not done. Can you give me some?
Okay. Super good. Yes. Nice. Okay, good. Good fixes. All right. Let's see. Xander, you are going.
They know.
There.
Okay.
Good fixes. All right. You are going. So did you already go back there? Are you back there yet? Perfect.
This one's so easy. But
Dark, do you have a question? Sorry.
I got it. I figured it out.
I'll be in a second. All right. Start done. All right. What do you got? Negative.
That one too.
All right. And 1, 2. There. I'll just give you that piece of paper.
You know how to do this one? There, you know how to do this one?
And you want to put your name?
It's 14 divided by 6 ended up at 6 times 11. So 6 times 9. Okay, I'm on board.
Alright, plus you Good fix. Okay, good fix. So Lupin, you are going, let's see. There, that far station, I'll just give you a piece of paper. I'll take that here in a minute. So, here you go. Okay, I'm gonna give you guys another about 7, 8 minutes, and then I'm going to turn you loose. I'm gonna put you in the last pod here. So. When they say a number, don't take the number, put like a variable like X or so on that first one. Usually you wrote number 2 like 2 squared. You have to pick a variable like X squared. Does that make sense? Okay. So a quick fix, make sure that the numbers are variables and you're good to go. Into your next question. Yeah. Okay. Perfect. Okay, good. Bam. Okay. Yep, which is 5. I'm gonna take 3. Okay. Be there in a second. Quick fix to it. Okay, good. Okay, Doug, you are going to head to that one. Yeah.
What day?
Okay, all right. Okay, Ed, let's check yours.
6.
Okay, on these, write down what this actually means. So like when you did your number, right, because you wrote down the answers, I want to know that this means 12, that was 12, that was 12, write that down as well. Okay, all right, I'll come back. Okay, good. So, all right, you are gonna head, yeah, you're gonna head to the west. Yep. Make a quick fix to those variables. Good. Okay, good. So, moving on, we're gonna head to.
I was gonna tell you, but
That's
I
okay. Okay, hey, if you're at that last station and you're getting that final piece of paper done, finished, worked on, I'll take them with your piece of paper that you have right here, unless you've already turned it in to me.
Decrease by
It's my concentration. Come on, okay, good. So, Reese, you are, I believe, Board of Operations. Have you been there yet? Then you are exponents. Good. All done. Perfect. I already got your piece of paper in there, Alexis. So, hey, you're done, but this is what we're working on tomorrow. So you just want to hold on to that. There you go. I'm gonna come over here in a second. Check how you're doing. All done? Okay. If you're finished, done, complete, both pieces of paper. Oh, you gotta go that way. No, hey, it's. I need both pieces of paper. I have a worksheet that, it's not due, we're gonna work on it tomorrow, but I'll hand it to you right now. So you have it, so.
So you just write down 55,
Okay.
3
Thing we're
times,
gonna work on tomorrow.
and
So it's board, yeah.
then you write
There you go.
the
You don't have to worry about it.
then you can.
What's,
We're gonna work on it.
what's the term for?
Wait, so I read -8
Division. Close.
Yeah. It's 8 to the 3rd.
Alright, I'm ready tomorrow. Let's check. Okay, so. Okay, so on this one, we do 3. So,
2 to the 3rd power, let's do the 3rd, so 2 to the power 3, so 2 carries.
We are.
Okay, so that's 8. Then we're gonna take that and we're gonna multiply by 4.
Yeah, I just drive up there.
So that's really 7. That's that back. Does that make sense? In the front, you're taking 24 divided by 6. There's that front number, and you can add 2 together. Does that make sense? Like you just always look for parentheses, and there's no parentheses, and you go multiply and divide. Then you go add and subtract last. I'll come back to this.
Hold on. Four.
In the back.
Okay, good fixes. Okay, so,
Ed, I think we are gonna send you.
okay, you've already been to the order of operations.
Got the bottom.
And have you been to the station yet? Go there.
Get there.
Okay. Fine, hold on to that. Okay, hey, I'm gonna give you another 3 minutes or so. 3 minutes. Then I'm gonna cut you off. I do need your name and date on that paper, that little sheet of paper that you've been working on. Okay? Need your name and date. If you're getting finished, done, complete, I'll take them from you because I know you have to go to that last station here in a second.
Okay, so this is all here.
This is something we're working on. Yeah.
These are easy.
Ben, did I already get your piece of paper earlier?
Yeah.
That one, yeah, thanks.
Just saying that they're
Did
negative,
those.
I think, or maybe it's positive.
No, I ran it today and I didn't bring any shorts.
Reese,
I didn't run it.
you guys out combine?
I don't know, some water.
Oh, damn. I'm 4 hours, I did corn. Oh, that's. Hell, yeah. Up at Avery's place.
Did I get rid of
They
this?
used to beat us.
Hey, remember, I do need both pieces of paper, that final one, and your one that you've been working on as you walk around.
Okay, we're done.
Yeah, I'll come there in a minute.
Yeah, but I still need a hard set.
Oh, wow, you caught me for that.
No, you sat in that one and you didn't get back so far.
Today's no back before we
Yeah, oh, there is.
That was me and I was there. Have you ever seen how far we could get to go down?
I know.
We had it folded all the way
Alright, so
down.
I'm gonna send
I think I recline all the way back. I can lay down.
The blue ones?
How do you crank your back?
Alright,
The blue ones, they don't bend back. They're usually like this. What?
The teacher behind me.
Oh, my bad.
okay, hey, I'm gonna walk around to the groups here in a second. Make sure name and date is on that piece of paper. I know a lot of you have already done the last station. If you haven't already, I'm gonna hand you this last piece of paper. I need this done in the next 10 minutes. 10 minutes for this one, okay? So,
Speed round.
That's from playing fullback team, but scout team.
this is what we did yesterday. You did
Who is gonna be our fullback
Oh,
team?
yeah, they're doing it fine there instead.
Mason.
I'm already down.
Yeah, never mind. Yeah, Monday's gonna be what goes? Jace.
Oh my god, you're so
I
bad.
went to these.
Should be Sam Dodd.
You already did this, didn't you?
Same dodge.
Okay, hey, if you haven't got to that last station, I'm gonna hand you that piece of paper right now.
He's faster than Angel.
Okay, Dark, you, okay, I'm gonna take that here in a minute, start right on that. You're already done with these, right? These, okay.
Wait, can I not leave until I get this done?
No, I want those done. This is the thing we did yesterday. I wanna see how you did. You did it in like 10 minutes yesterday. Perfect.
Should I get the bullseye?
Is that it from you? Okay, so work on that.
You shaved my legs.
Don't be your lead present.
Okay, Mason, can you grab that piece of paper in front of you there?
I almost did the same thing,
Mason, can I grab that piece of paper?
but just did it to you.
Angel, did you do this worksheet already? Okay, thanks.
Once we get out.
If Weston just grabbed one in the back, remember in the back,
You guys are already working. All right, paper. You're gonna put those in Florida. You already did this, huh?
yeah.
We're gonna hang them. Yep. So